Hey guys, welcome back to another video. I'm so sorry for background noise. My hamster's being annoying. But today I'm going to teach you how to make a thumbnail. I figured out how to make a pretty good thumbnail actually. So first you're going to pick an animal that you would like to make this thumbnail with. I'm going to use this one. This is most for Mac users because this is a MacBook Air that I'm using to make this. So yeah, if you have a window, you can make better thumbnails than this actually. So yeah, so all you're gonna do is Command-Shift-4. That's how you're gonna take a screenshot of your animal. Make sure you're in a green background. Second, you're going to look at your screenshot, going to make it bigger. But yeah, basically you're going to go to this. First you're going to go to this thing. Basically you can make it like that. But yeah, I put it right here. Like right here. Here's a part. Sorry, I just have to do all of this. And don't do anything with this. Okay. I accidentally did that, so I have to redo that all again. So yeah. Okay. Since you got everything done, now you're going to go to titles. I'm going to write this. Text. Okay, now I'm going to make it stand out a little bit so you guys can see it more. Pretty sure that's how you... So yeah, you can draw on it, but I don't want to do that. You can do that. This. You could put arrows. You could do this. Yeah. Just do like that. Oops, I don't know. So yeah. Click here. Oh, Jesus. Oh, I don't, hold on. Okay, I just had to do something really quick. I'm so sorry. So basically you're going to do this. Yeah, but I'm not going to. No, I'm not going to do that. So basically you could just click that, and that's your thumbnail. And to upload it, all you have to do is drag it over pictures. And look at that, you have a thumbnail. So yeah. Bye guys. Thank you so much for watching. Excuse my background. So bye guys.